channel. So I am getting ready to go to brunch with the girls, and I need to do my hair. So I've already washed, did my rice water, and deep conditioned my hair, and then I blow dried it out, and it's just up in this little bun so that I could do my makeup and shower. So today I am going to be installing this U part right here, super long. So this was a body wave. This is what it looks like. This was a body wave unit, you guys, but I washed it and bleached it, and this was like a 1B, so I needed to lighten it just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I mainly focused on like the top layer part. I didn't really like go layer by layer and go deep in and do the whole thing, because this is just where my hair is going to lay, so I wanted to make sure like it had something to blend with. So yeah, the bottom is still really dark. It's just a little bit lighter, like kind of like highlights kind of up here in this area. But this is what the unit looks like, and this you just cut once you do it. So I'm gonna braid my hair really easy, like just enough so that I have something for the clamps to hold on to. But I want to see exactly how much hair I need to leave out. So I'm gonna pull my hair back really quick.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I
just take it out the edges of the edges.
love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.
I hope I can braid with these nails. I'm just twisting the edges right now.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
I braid so much better without nails, you guys. Like, this is crazy.
That good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that,
So come to find out, I could not braid small with these nails. I tried to do 2 small cornrows, 1 on each side of my leave out, but my nails were entirely too long. So I had to cheat, and I'm going to do 4 individuals. I'm going to do 2 on each side, and I'm going to make sure they're pretty tight at the root so that when I hook in the U part, the combs have something to hook into.
Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
In the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding, when we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way.
I didn't turn it all the way up, so it's not getting full heat like it used to. And I used a heat protectant before I blow dry and then after I blow dry, just to be safe. Now I can take my lovely beads and do my edges just really quick.
Treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. Treat you, I'm gonna treat you the right way. The right way, the right way. Oh, the right way, the right way. Right way, the right way.
So I'm using a little bit of edge control because I don't want my hair to revert. And it like helped it blend in just a little bit better.
Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you.